Guys, we have not done our group party, and a lot of you guys have personally called me to say, Sonia, we have not done our group party. 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hour, get monetized, start making money on YouTube. Hello, guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It Vibes, and I'm back again with another mind blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If it's the first time tuning in, do it, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments. Lastly, do not forget to share for every other persons to get this good news. I've not been really putting my face here. All of those videos you're seeing are videos I plan ahead. That is why number one thing I will tell you is it is very, very important for you to plan videos ahead because you don't know what you might have encountered like just within the week or within the month. So, but if you plan ahead, it will help you still have videos that you can actually retain and keep uploading here. You guys know that the more you keep uploading, the more subscribers you'll be getting and the more audience you'll actually be dragging down to your YouTube. So right now I'm all dressed and I'm supposed to go to school, but there's no way I'm not going to do the grow party because we're supposed to be doing it every Monday. Anyways, for those of you that are new that don't know what Grow Party is, this is just another way of us getting 1,000 subscribers. So if you don't know how to get 1,000 subscribers or you've been struggling on getting 1,000 subscribers, this particular method has really helped us to get 1,000 subscribers down to our YouTube channel. This particular method is one of the most simplest, sweetest, and easiest method for you to get 1,000 subscribers. So in today's particular video, I'm going to be talking about two ways you can get subscribers down to your YouTube channel. And you guys know that the first way I will ever recommend to you guys to get 1,000 subscribers is consistency. And after consistency, which is consistently uploading videos, after that, I'm also going to tell you that one of the consistently uploading videos that you should be doing during the process of looking for this 1,000 subscribers is uploading short videos. The beautiful part of short is short travels far. That's just the joy of short, right? It travels far to like a wider audience. So the more short you have on your channel, the more subscribers you're going to be getting. This is for those ones that are looking for 1,000 subscribers. So if you are not among the set that is looking for 1,000 subscribers, and your channel is monetized, you have to now less creating short videos and then focus more on your long form videos. Reason because long form videos are videos that can actually give you that coins, and if you're looking for watch hour, long form videos are videos that can actually give you that beautiful watch hour. Then coming back to how we can get our 1,000 subscribers, which is the second way before I move to the 4,000 watch hour, right? The comment section. Activate the comment section. It is very, very important. These are where people actually connect to you directly. That's why you see a lot of people when they say in our comment section, oh, I've connected with you, I don't connect with you, it simply means you have to connect with them. But here is the mistake that a lot of you guys are making, and I'll put it out here as plain as it is. If you are connecting to anybody, you don't need to go to that person's comment section and be like, oh, I'm coming from Vibe with Sonia, or I'm subscribing to you, or sub for sub, or oh, I connect to you, just don't forget to return the favor. You're sending signal to YouTube, and the moment you keep sending signal to YouTube, once YouTube notice, YouTube will take down those subscribers. You understand? So what you're going to do is you're going to check the comment section, as many as comments that they are dropping. You click on their comments, you go to their YouTube channel, watch their videos, comment according to that particular video that you watch, and then you're able to do a subscribe, turn on notification bell. After turning on notification bell on their channel, you do what? You drop a comment relating to that particular video. Then at the end of that comment, you can just put, oh, I just dropped a red flower, or I love your content. Oh, you just make something out of it. You don't need to make it obvious like sub for sub or come to support me. In fact, if you see anybody dropping sub for sub or connect for connect, or anything that you feel like is not okay, I permit you go ahead and block that person. So if you're done with that person, you come back to the comment section and what? You grab the next person. Like, it is not difficult. This is one of the easiest, sweetest method, and this is not only me using this method to actually help my subscribers grow. This is what also big content creators are also creating YouTube content are also doing, and that's why I feel like personally I have to show you guys how you can get this 1,000 subscribers so that you can rest your head and start looking for ways you can just monetize your channel. Then let's talk about the 4,000 watch hour. or should we do it in another video? Okay, let's do the 4,000 watch hour in another video so that this video will not be too long. I want this video to be quick, short, and so that a lot of people can start getting subscribing to your channel. So start dropping your comments now as you're seeing this video. Now come back for the 4,000 watch hour. Love you. Mwah.